Shnong jangka Shnongrim Elaka Nongkhlieh East Giant Hills District kibadairu kitrai khando hakal arpulai trik yayong arachar arpunriu kilalek bu jingtho Sha Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban pendu ya ke jingtmu ban penlong jingelang skap paidbah lani ka public hearing kaban ailat ya ka MS Shri Cement Limited manti motion na ka jaka kaba arspa khatnyo pon laispa khandai psau hector ha kati kishnong tangkata katkum kejing penbena na kabut ka ong banbu ya ka kharkhana tliat maushun ha kishnong lum sherman kinong shnong ila tumu bani kendu ya member secretary kabut hanrai sham ladon ha office ha kaba kila IT no ya kajing tho ha kibadon ha office trekam jong kabut.
It's Dini Patwet. I'm the resident of the Shnongrim village under the Elaka of Nongkhlieh. We came here as the residents of the Shnongrim and the farmers of the Shnongrim. We came here to in this office of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to place our objection clearly against the public notice to conduct the public hearing for the Sri Cement Limited to for limestone mining in our area, in our place. So we came here. Actually, we didn't meet the chairman and the secretary of this office, but we have submitted the documents and all the related documents here in this office. So the land where the public hearing is proposed to for the limestones mining by the Sri Cement Limited is our ancestral land, and this land is belong to us. Till today, we have not sold or leased or given to any individuals or to any company or to anyone to use this land. So we want to ask a simple question to the highest authority: how can a public hearing take place without the consent of the landowners? We are the rightful landowners of this area, of this place, Lom Serman. So we strongly state that any attempt to proceed with this public hearing without our permission is unjust and a violation of our rights. So therefore, we demand that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to immediately stop this public hearing. I've already made or stand clear. Yesterday also we have given our speech to the press and to the media also, and we are giving the authorities, the highest authorities who are concerned with this, to publish this, to issue this public notice regarding the this public hearing for the Sri Limited Cement. The times within 7 days to withdraw this process, or first to resolve the issue of the landowners. So as we have already stated yesterday about all the issues related with this land, so we today the same, we remind our elected representative right from the MLA, the MDC, and especially the Doloi of our Elaka, that they are given powers to protect the people, to protect our lands, to protect and also to see our problem. We are not giving them the powers. We are not giving them the powers, or we are not allowed them to sell our land or to give our lands to others people, especially to the company without our consent. So what I want to say here today, if our concern, if our issue are ignored, we will be compelled to take the further necessary step to protect our lands and our rights. This is our land. This Lom Serman is belong to us, not to anyone, not to that to the company of the Sri Cement Limited. It is belong to us. So we will stand united. We will protect our land and we will claim it. because this is our rights and this is our property. Adu ngan ong nagbenta ki jing ye ki nagbenta bangin penyo ya ka hok ke jong ki trai Shnong ki badai ki trai jaka jong ke tu ke jaka lum sorman ke jing ye ki lada kimpat sengap ya kani ke jing yujor ke jongi ngin sedang bari ki nadu napo elaka ke jongi pyrshah ya ki nong yelam jong ke elaka ki ba claim ya kani ki ba ai ya ka NOC cha kini ki factory ngin ye ki nadu pyrshah yo doloi bat ye ki member jong ki isi balai ki ai ha ka jaka jongi claim ke jing bit claim ke jing pan permission ningi so bat nang ta ngin saya khamtam lang ba ka district council ka badai ban pit ya ka khendeu ke siap bat ya ka jinglong try ke jongi tumnu ki not ban ai ya ka ni ki NOC cha ka ni ka company claim ke jing bit claim ke jing console bat ki nong chong chnong bat ki belong ki try jaka jong ka ni ka khendeu kumta laisai ru ngin mi ban le ju jor cha ki badai ki bor ki bahlor ki badai pej ya ka ni ka banta bat nak banta ki tu baro ki badon kti hagaban penmi lene ban ai jingbit ya kini ki simen plan ban pelong ya ke public hearing ngin let ban ya kendu bat ki ban ngin pan ya ka jingshai haganu ke rukom bat haganu ke dur bagi ai claim na ke jingbit kini ki try kendeu tang kata ke jing pentip hagne ke singi kublai sibon
to gat kamaman hani por I gat kama jingjung I notice wa ongi am Shnongrim perman I gat kama jing chiam yong I wi chiam I mu to mjuyung I wa am Shnong hani lum perman nei bah im tiwi unu wa Shnong wa am hani lum perman to wa ada Shnong lam juyung I ka na gat tu lasan phuli de ligis nem da de I ma hani po Elaka Nongkhlieh wa da manale udo usnam yong ka wa da kha da pun da be yanga tengam juyung am Shnong lasan phule de digis nang modaka tengah mjujuk ini Shnong ini to ijing kwa yong I kami wa yeyen hane por dibenta wa ipenche bi I hajing yato organi ke Shnong ne hewan em gini kot kisla gat kamaman ira budde ne gini ki kam yong gini kot kisla go yato satara lum serman tengah naliang onga tadu ini hi kwa pan jingche yo penche bi I hajing yato organi ke Shnong tengah kuat jing benci uyi uhet Shnong woman em hani lum serman ngadu ini langbau sekretari yang kal atau khanabi yo ching I kam gibru em Shnong Shnongrim em po Elaka Nongkhlieh kedu ini kiten kadiak blai cibon nyoba khanachi